12:47, and you know what? On December 1st, the first day of meteorological winter, I wore this tie. See what's on this tie? Snowflakes. And I said, you know what? Maybe we'll see some snow this winter. Now, at the time, I didn't really believe myself. I was just kind of making a joke, but it happened. So maybe the tie is lucky. I'll keep wearing it maybe. All right, snowfall reports are continuing to come in. These are preliminary. We're gonna go back and we're gonna look over. If you have some snow totals for us, post it again to the KRGV weather page. We'll look those over, submit them to the National Weather Service, and kind of figure out where that greatest total was. We're still in the process of trying to figure out where that was. We're going to recap all that on this evening's newscast, but any snow in the valley is certainly something to talk about. We'll zoom in on Harlingen. A lot of great snow pictures coming from Harlingen. In general, it seems like an inch is what we saw across the Harlingen area. That was a pretty common measurement. This one was actually coming in from a co-op observer, so we always appreciate any observer who wants to measure that snow. And remember, when you're measuring snow, you should measure, and now's the time to do it before it melts away. Get one of those a little ruler and stick it on a hard, flat surface. Don't stick it down into the dirt or the grass. If you can measure it on the hood of your car or on the trunk of your car, or if you can measure it on some lawn furniture, that would be ideal. Even out towards the coast, where we thought it would just be a little bit too warm, the snow was falling. We even got a little bit of a dusting near Laguna Vista. It's pretty remarkable. The temperatures dropped just enough that everybody ended up getting in on the snow. Even on Donna, we got 0.6 inches of snow. Again, a lot of folks coming in right around an inch. I think ultimately some of the biggest totals are going to be maybe 2.5 inches. We'll wait and see as they all continue to come in, and we do appreciate all those reports. So just some isolated rain and snow showers at 2 o'clock and only near the coast. Those, again, coming to an end quickly. Everybody else drying out, and the clouds actually starting to break up. And we're going to see some decent sunshine by 5 o'clock today. Mostly sunny skies in the upper valley. In the lower valley, still partly to mostly cloudy skies. But even then, those clouds are going to be clearing out quickly. By 10 o'clock tonight, I think we have crystal clear skies. It's hard to believe after all of that. We're going to be a chilly night, though, but that's because skies are going to stay clear. So temperatures are going to dip mid to upper 30s for the most part across the valley. And we're going to remain with clear skies. Notice nothing even showing up anymore. After all that snow, all the crazy stuff that was showing up on the models, just sunny skies for tomorrow afternoon and much warmer as well. Struggle to warm up today. Temperatures only getting up to the mid-40s, and I've got to put a little clarification in this. In the upper valley, we may see the upper 40s. Meanwhile, in the lower valley where those clouds hang on a little bit, lower 40s. So that's why I'm putting it right in the middle of 45. It'll be the average high temperature across as those clouds decrease from west to east. The wind's dying down as well, an occasional gust of 20 miles per hour. But then tonight, winds will probably actually be light. Let's talk about that weekend forecast. After this crazy day, it's a nicer weekend. Even though normally we would call this kind of a chilly weekend with temperatures starting in the upper 30s tomorrow morning and mid-60s, it's going to feel a lot better than today. Still a breezy day tomorrow. Now Sunday, I don't think we're going to be as breezy. Another day with sunny skies, temperatures start in the low 40s, but we warm up to 67. And we keep warming up from there. Check out the 7-day temperatures as we get back into the low 70s. And this is a very dry forecast. After all the craziness of today, it's hard to believe, but we're just going to dry out. High pressure builds in, and we see a gradual warming trend. A little cold front tries to sneak here to cool us down, but doesn't do much. We warm right back up to mid-70s. A little increase in cloud cover is really all we can track for you at this time. We'll keep our fingers crossed, and maybe we'll see another snow chance, and we won't have to wait so long for it. Gabby?